Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Good morning. I hope everybody slept well last night, woke up nice and ready to go for the day. Before I proceed, I want to apologize for this background noise because my babies are awake. They're playing, they're running around, and I can't get them to settle while I make this video because I do want to share this with you guys as soon as I can. Basically, this is how I start my day, by drinking my apple cider vinegar, and I just wanted to show you guys what I do and how I prepare it before I consume it. So if you're interested to see how I do this, keep on watching this video. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. There is so much to see. There is so much to share for you guys to see. If you do like this video as well, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Let me see what you think. But yes, let's get into it. So as you can see, I have got my items, everything I need. I've got my apple cider vinegar with honey, and I've got me some freshly squeezed lemon. This I got from Costco. I've got my cinnamon, I've got some turmeric, and I have got cayenne pepper as well as some ginger powder, and I've got some water on deck. So let's begin. I use my tablespoon to measure this, so I'm just gonna go for 2 tablespoons of, I'm gonna shake it first of all, sorry guys. Just to wake up the mother, you see. As you can see, the mother is right at the bottom, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good shake until everything wakes up. Right, so I'm gonna go ahead with my 2 tablespoons like this. Tablespoon, and I'm also gonna go ahead with 2 tablespoons of the freshly squeezed lemon like these. Then I'm just gonna just 1 shake of cinnamon powder, and also 1 shake of turmeric powder, another shake of, why am I saying shake? I don't know, of cayenne pepper, this much, or just a 1/4 of a tablespoon, I think, yeah, 1/4 of a tablespoon, as well as 1/4 of a tablespoon of ginger. Then I'm gonna go ahead first of all with boiled water to help me mix especially the cinnamon. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this much, half of 500 ml in it. Then I'm gonna first of all stir it just to help the cinnamon and all the powdered stuffs in it to dissolve, and it's well dissolved now. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some cold water so that it will not be too hot to drink, and I'm making sure that it's about 500 ml, and I'm gonna give it a nice little stir. So as you can see, it's 500 ml right there, and that's all. I've got my straw. This is my first thing in the morning. I drink this on empty stomach, nothing consumed before this time. So I'm gonna go ahead and start drinking it, so you can see that I'm actually drinking it in fact. So there you go. So that's it. I haven't had any breakfast. This is gonna take me until 11:30 when I will then eat my brunch. and which is my intermittent fasting. I've just recently kickstarted that, and it's working amazing. I have lost a couple of inches around my waist. I will share this with you guys, and I've lost a lot of weight. I started this journey at 86 kg, and now I am 81 kg, guys. Yes, I still have a long way to go because I do want to get down to 70, but this is working amazing. So far so good. I am so happy. But that's it pretty much, guys. I thought I'd share this with you guys to show you how I kickstart my day by taking my apple cider vinegar. And then I do hope that you enjoy seeing this video, and if you're doing the same or something similar, or if you add anything else to yours, let me know in the comment box. Let me know what you do, how you consume yours, and how much result you have gotten so far. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys pretty soon in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye, guys. By the way, this is spicy, that's why I'm kind of like I'm trying to be strong, yeah, this spiciness. But yeah, bye bye, guys. See you next time.